Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba once again. Today guys, I'll be sharing much more information. If you're new to this, please do not forget guys, make sure to smash that button. Click the subscribe, click the like, click the share with your friends and family so that they can be able to get information as well. Today guys, I'll be talking much more about the way I master my technical analysis. So basically you'll also see and learn the way in which I analyze the charts. Without further wasting much of your time, guys, make sure you stay tuned until end of this video so that you can get value and be able to get much more information. And also guys, please don't forget to comment below and make sure you subscribe on our website so that you can be able to get the study guide for absolutely free at no cost. I'm giving it to you guys so that you can be able to understand the introduction to Forex and just the few tips. So basically, if you like to learn directly from me, click the link below, go to our website, subscribe to our signals, and make sure you are part of the group, the only Forex trading you have been looking for. Join me into the charts. Basically guys, on the charts, I'm now looking at gold, and I'll start with my higher time frame analysis. As you can see, with gold, it has been a downtrend, and then here we had a fake breakout because what really happened here, they broke out and they came back inside this structure here. So basically they came within that trend line. So you need to understand and be able to spot those false breakouts or fake breakouts. So you can see price also came back. So just because the market was a bit choppy yesterday, it was a bit slower because of the George Washington. So we're looking to capitalize today. Today will be the day we take trades, and I'll just show you guys. Okay. So guys, what I'm looking at currently, I see price came from this all from the down there and went all the way up and then came to retest here, this level here. You can see we have significant area here, this level you can see. So it is at most much easier whenever you're using your lines instead of your boxes, but I use my boxes, these horizontal boxes, to identify my major support and resistance. You understand? So basically, I'll look at this here. So the level that I will look significant as well will be this one, but my major one will be this one. You can see where it starts from the top. That will be my major resistance there. So basically, you get to understand the level of clarity there. You understand? So you get to be informed very well of how you can be able to see those analysis. You understand? So the other one will be just here because you can see also a nice resistance within that level here. So you can see price is just bouncing between these two areas. So basically, let me go to 4-hour. I always explain, guys, the market moves in phases: impulse, correction, impulse. So basically, what I'm looking at currently, this movement that is going to happen here. Guys, you need to understand one thing. When I mention the movements happening around the trend line, you must understand that the major trend line is very much strong, and if it's being supported by a support or a resistance, you stand a high probability chance of winning that trade. You understand? It is a very high probability trade, hence I also increase my risk as well. So basically that type of entries, they are very much. Look at what happened here. Let's do this. Okay. So you will have this type of setup. Understand? Not knowing what's gonna happen here, but then with your analysis, you have this move because you know that you have what? You have impulse, you have impulse, correction, impulse, you understand? And also being supported by what? Your support and resistance, this key areas here. You see this area here. So you are looking for price to come retest here, reject at the trend line, then continue to go down. And you will take it all the way down. Take it all the way to here, the 90% rule. You see? So this is what your setup will look like, not knowing what's going to happen. So now, what are we going to do? We're going to play it so that you can be able to spot what happened. Do you see what happened here, guys? What happened here was a break, then a retest. So we can say this is a retest. Retest, breakout, 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 then retest. So what's our next move? We're taking it down because it broke, then now it came back to retest, creating a double top. So you can see you have many reasons there. Double top, double top, retest. Do you see why we call this a fake breakout? Because of these spikes. You can see those spikes, they on smaller time frame they would have closed above, but they on a higher time frame they closed below the trend line. Let me show you on 15 minutes. So you can see here they closed above the trend line. So one will think that price is now going up, but then it was just a false breakout, then they came back. You understand? So you can see where you would have caught the price at the retest. It's 1 hour. So your retest level was around this area here. So your sell opportunities, These guys will become better with practice. You need to back test and analyze your charts to be able to understand the movements that are happening, because it won't just happen overnight. Whenever you go into a chart, you need to analyze and be able to understand the movements that are happening. So you can see they reached our TP. Understand? But you look, they pushed it further down to the downside. Then now we are having some sort of a correction, because you can see this move, all of it, this move, it is a impulse. Impulse. Now I'm looking at correction. But also remember, within the correction, there are movements that you could have capitalized on, because you must understand inside a correction there's movement as well. So basically, do you see what's happening here? Price was just going up, and then they broke. Now they came to test this line. So we have our move to the upside, and then now we are just within this level here. So what we are anticipating to happen, okay, I'm looking for gold to come to this area when it breaks this trend line. I'm looking for gold to come to this area. Understand? But what is currently happening, it looks like it's rejecting this trend line, and if it's rejecting this trend line, it's gonna give us this move. Then from this move, that's when I can expect it to shoot to the downside. So basically, I just want to see the rejections that it forms around this level, because if you look, or also it's possible that we can come within this structure here. Okay, so we can come within this structure in this manner, come, then go down, create another high here, you understand? Then we'll be able to sell it at the high. Then we'll have our movement like this. But if it does not do this, then we know that it's possible that it can break here. It can break here. So we are just waiting for price to prove itself. I'm just waiting for price to prove itself around this level here to see what will really happen. So just gonna draw, and then we'll use this one as well. So basically you can see that above there, if it decides to go up, what it must do, it must push, retest the support, which is the new support, is no longer resistant, then go up and we'll continue buying it. But then if it goes up in this manner, does not impulse, then decides to come, then we'll sell it, going all the way down. So we just need to see how it will react around this level here. Obviously, we can see that we have our horizontal lines around here. You can see the point is more than 2 times. You can see here. So guys, you need to be aware of these moves that are happening. You need to be very much aware of these moves that are happening. So learn to wait, learn to be patient, guys. Don't rush anything so that you can be able to catch those moves. That is gold. GBP, JPY. What I would look at the moment is how price will come to this level here. Here price can just come here and then give us an upward move. I'll be very much happy because I know that it's gonna go to our major resistance from daily. See the major resistance, then at the bottom we have our major support. So expecting price to come here before it can go down. So from here, then we can take it all the way down. But currently you can see that it's going down. It's going down in a very interesting manner. And we have our trend line here. Let's see. We have our trend line here, management line, which was the other one I was managing the buys here. As you can see, your entries were very much correct. You could have bought here. You buy here, here, so buy here as a double bottom, as a double bottom around this area. So I just want to see what's going to happen here now, because you can see price is just within this, and we have our line here, and we also have our small resistance. So basically where we are currently, we are here. We are here. So let's see how it plays out on this level here. Just one price, you see it's now it's below. Maybe we can do a retest to this resistance. We can do this retest and come touch it before shooting up. So this is just what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for price to reach this level, then I can take it all the way up. I can buy it. That way you know that you'll be having calculated risks and the movements that you analyzed. So this is my setup on GBP JPY. So guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe so that we can grow this channel. So basically guys, this is what we're looking at currently, and we have our first one here, because it's possible that price can reverse there. Curve, let's see, so if we take it here, give us a stop loss of how much? Oh, 20 pips here. It is possible that it can turn around here, create a double, what is it, the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottoms. And take it all the way there, 90 pips, and then all the way 170 pips. So guys, that's just how I'm looking at GBP JPY. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I know guys you'll be getting much more information from this. If you liked it, subscribe on the channel, click the like and share button, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our website, guys, so that you can get free material here, guys. If you like to learn directly from me, get the Forex 2.0, Forex Heroes 2.0, Forex Heroes 2.0, and also subscribe to the monthly signal so that you can make money while you learn. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba.